Hello people, would you like to know how to do a t-shirt just like mine? Lino print on a cotton t-shirt. This is going to be a short video, so let's get on with it. So I've already put out the Lino print, it's in a previous video, I'll link in the description. Ain't that pretty? Homemade printed t-shirt. None of your fancy screen printing stuff, just a normal lino print and water-based inks. After that, you let it dry for 24 hours, then run a hot iron over it for about 2 or 3 minutes. Just put a piece of paper down first, then run a hot iron over to seal it in. It's not going to last too long, maybe about 20 washes, but it's a cheap way to make your own DIY t-shirts.